Ladies and gentlemen, fellow advocates, educators, and students, welcome to this crucial gathering where we unveil the truth about the state of healthcare in the Philippines. Today, we come together not only to shed light on the failures of our healthcare system, but also to ignite a collective call for action. In the Philippines, our healthcare system is at a critical point, facing significant problems that make it difficult for people to get quality care they deserve. We have limited resources, crumbling infrastructure, and high costs, creating a gap between those in need and the care they require. It is essential for us to confront these challenges directly and find long-lasting solutions.
The effects of this broken health system are felt throughout our nation. Families are forced to make incredibly tough choices between medical treatment and meeting their basic needs. Communities suffer as preventable diseases continue to exist because of inadequate preventive care. The well-being of our citizens and the progress of our society are at stake.
We cannot turn a blind eye to the underlying problems that fuel this healthcare crisis. Lack of enough funding, widespread corruption, and uneven distribution of resources have weakened the core of our system. To bring out the real change and regain trust in healthcare for everyone, we must tackle those root causes head-on. Time is crucial. Every day we wait, lives are at risk. The consequences of our inaction extend beyond healthcare facilities. It affects our economy, our society, and the future of our country. We cannot let this crisis worsen any longer.
To create a better future, we need practical solutions. It begins with increasing healthcare funding and ensuring resources reach underserved areas. We must fight corruption, promote transparency in resource distribution, and prioritize public health. Working together, government, healthcare professionals, and civil society, we can bring about lasting change. Every one of us holds the power to make a change. Join advocacy groups, speak up for the cause, and hold policymakers responsible. Write to your representatives, participate in awareness campaigns, and support organizations working towards accessible healthcare for all. Together, we can transform the healthcare system and ensure that no one is left behind.
Mga gamit doon, okay po yung mga doktor.
Hindi rin.
Bakit?
Katulad ng community, wala kang kilala dyan, ang hirap pumasok eh. Lagi sinasabi nila, walang kwarto, walang ano. Kaya kung may pera ka, mag-private ka na lang.
As we conclude this advocacy conference, let's carry the knowledge and determination with us. The problems with the healthcare system in the Philippines can no longer stay hidden. It's our responsibility to bring them forefront and take urgent action. Together, let's pave the path for a healthier, fairer, and brighter future for every Filipino.